As per the most recent long-haul figure, Chilliz cost will hit $0.4 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $0.5 by the center of 2025. Chilliz will ascend to $0.7 inside the extended time of 2029. Chilliz value forecast 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.25 and 37, so the cost expanded by 77% from the very start of the year. The estimated Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.43 and the year-to-year change plus 394%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 180%. In 2024, we hope to see $31 per 1 Chilliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $50. In the final part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $53, which is plus 245% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Sunday, blemish $10.16. Monday, blemish $11.16. Tuesday, blemish $12.16. Wednesday, blemish $13.16. Thursday, blemish $14.16. Friday, blemish $15.16. Saturday, blemish $16.16. Sunday, blemish $17.16. April $15.20. May $15.25. June $15.29. July $15.32. August $15.34. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $0.53 to $80, which is up 51%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $53, then at that point take off to $56 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $59. That implies plus 284% from today. Chilliz forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $80 to $99, which is plus 24%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $80, then at that point take off to $85 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $84. It is about plus 447% from today. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.87. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $2.64, so the cost expanded by 22% from the very start of the year. The estimated Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $23 and the year-to-year change plus 164%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 116%. In 2024, we hope to see $18 per 1 Chilliz. In the main portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $25. In the final part, the cost would add $01 and close the year at $26, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $26 to $46, which is up 77%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $26, then at that point take off to $29 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $28. That implies plus 163% from today. Chilliz forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $46 to $74, which is plus 61%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $46, then at that point take off to $49 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $52. It is about plus 389% from today. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $411 to $44, which is up 68%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $411, then at that point take off to $653 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $25.54. That implies plus 159% from today. Chilliz forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $4.44 to $6.1199, which is plus 53%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $44, then take off to $42.87 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $45.28. It is about plus 360% from today. 01152 Center 4. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chiliz cost began in 2024 at $0.870. Today, Chiliz exchanged at $0.854, so the cost diminished by 2% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Chiliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1.99 and the year-to-year change plus 26%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 29%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.936 per 1 Chiliz. In the main portion of 2025, the Chiliz cost will move to $0.54. In the last part, the cost would add $0.62 and close the year at $0.16, which is plus 42% to the ongoing cost. Chiliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chiliz cost would move from $0.1216 to $0.2876, which is up 54%. Chiliz will begin 2026 at $1.216, then at that point take off to $1.270 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.45. That implies plus 34% from today. Chiliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chiliz cost would ascend from $0.1876 to $1.89, which is plus 11%. Chiliz will begin 2031 at $1.1876, then at that point dip to $1.1852 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1.748. It is about plus 105% from today. 0.112 Chiliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chiliz cost began in 2024 at $0.870. Today, Chiliz exchanged at $0.860, so the cost diminished by 1% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Chiliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.2035 and the year-to-year change plus 30%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 32%. In 2024, we hope to see $967 per 1 Chiliz. In the main portion of 2025, the Chiliz cost will move to $1.92. In the final part, the cost would add $0.65 and close the year at $1.257, which is plus 46% to the ongoing cost. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chiliz cost would move from $1.257 to $1.40, which is up 54%. Chiliz will begin 2026 at $1.257, then at that point take off to $1.13 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $1.84. That implies plus 38% from today. Chiliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chiliz cost would ascend from $940 to $1.59, which is plus 11%. Chiliz will begin 2031 at $940.